Welcome to Afton Arbor, the area's only two-story townhome community with options for a first-floor owner suite and included lawn care just minutes from Mountain Island Lake. Live just 2 miles from I-45 and steps from Highway 16, giving you easy access to uptown Charlotte, Belmont, and Huntersville. Plus, you're only 5 minutes from shopping and dining at Riverbend Village. These thoughtfully designed homes offer 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and up to 1,900 square feet. Enjoy open concept living, smart storage solutions, and a private ensuite bathroom in every owner's suite. Want more outdoor space? Add an optional covered porch, perfect for year-round relaxation. Tucked among mature trees, Afton Arbor is a quaint, low-maintenance community where neighbors become friends. Love the outdoors? You're minutes from Mountain Island Lake, Lake Norman, and the U.S. National Whitewater Center, ideal for kayaking, hiking, or just soaking in the views. Whether you're starting fresh or simplifying life, Afton Arbor is where comfort meets connection, with neighbors who feel like friends and a community that feels like home. If you're ready to see this community in person, schedule your visit to come see us. We can't wait to meet you.